One of the features of Google Contacts is you have the ability to organize and manage your contacts in labels. Right here they are. I'm in my one of my Gmail accounts. I'm looking at contacts.google.com in Chrome on a MacBook Pro. And you can see right there, here's all my contacts right here. And here's the label. One label is called Family and one's called Weekly Meeting. Great way to manage contacts. And from Google Contacts or contacts.google.com, I can go to one of my labels. I have to select all of the contacts in here I want to select. And by the way, you can select the first one and hit the down arrow and hit all. Select all of them. And then I can come over here and I can send a new email message, and it opens up a Gmail. Again, because I'm using Gmail on this computer in Chrome, it opens up a Gmail message, and you can see that it has all of those contacts in there, and I can go ahead and write my message. That's pretty useful. And one more thing to share with you is from Gmail. Again, I'm in the same account, bcigws@gmail.com. I'm in my Google Chrome. I'm looking at Gmail. I can go up here and hit compose. And when I click on to, I can go down here and I can say I want to get it from family. And I can select all, and I can hit insert, and I can write an email message from within Gmail and actually get all of those Google contacts in that or any specific label. Great feature, great way to be able to manage contacts and be able to send email messages to groups of contacts in my Google Contacts. However, this falls apart on mobile devices, on an iPhone as well as on an Android. And let me show you what you can do and what doesn't work on those two devices. So on the iPhone, I'm going to show you two different ideas. The first is if I go to Gmail, which is the Google Mail app. So now I'm looking at my email. If I go to compose, I can hit the three dots and there's no select from contacts. If I click on the word to, that does not bring up anything. There's no way in the Gmail app, in this case on the iPhone, to be able to select a group of contacts. So I got to type them in one at a time. So that's not going to work. The other issue is, if I look at the Google apps that I have, there is no app for contacts. There is no actual Google Contacts app. Now, I do have contacts in the iPhone app, but even in the iPhone app, there is no way to search or select. I'm going to just do family. There's no way to select a group of people. None of these are in my family group. There's no way to select a label. And I do, in fact, have a label in my Google Contacts called Family, but it's not accessible through the iPhone Contacts app. Now, the only alternative that Google is recommending is that we go to Chrome, and in Chrome, we open up Google Contacts. So now I'm in my Google Contacts. Again, I'm doing it through the web browser. In this case, I'm using Chrome to look at contacts.google.com. I'm looking at my bcigws@gmail. Now there's all the contacts, and if I hit the three lines over here, I can go get the label family, and there's all the family members. So I could select all of these contacts. Let me do that again. Got to hit that down arrow. Select all. And then when I go to hit message, it says it wants to open another application. I'm going to allow. And then I can open up my Apple Mail app, or above that, the Gmail app. And open up the Gmail app. But it has me in the wrong Google account. So I got to switch to the right Google account. Tedious, but it is a workaround. At best, it's a workaround. Okay, I'm on my Android, and I have a few differences here that could be beneficial to folks who, again, want to be able to send an email message to their Google contacts from a label or a group of contacts. So on the Android, the only mail app I have is Gmail. And again, just like on the iPhone, if I do compose, I do not have the ability natively in here to be able to go directly to contacts to be able to see those labels. Now, there is a feature here. If I click the three dots, I have add from contacts. And this brings up a view of my Google contacts, but it does not have the ability for me to search or look at labels. So there's no direct way in the Gmail app to get to our Google contacts labels, but there is another way. Come out of this. If I have the Contacts app, which is the Google Contacts app on Android, not on iPhone, it brings me into my contacts and it lets me go to the labels. There's a label button. I can go to family. And then here I can select, you got to hold your finger on the first one, select one, and then you click on the other two. And then I can click the three dots up top here. And I can send email. And it's going to ask me which one I want. I'm going to say I want the Gmail app. And then it opens up a Gmail message with those three people who happen to be in that Google Contacts label. So an interesting workaround. Again, the functionality is that you do this from the Google Contacts app on the Android phone. So if you have an Android phone, you've got the opportunity to send email messages to a group of people. But again, you start from the Google Contacts app. You do not start from the Gmail app. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I hope this information has been helpful for you.